Hello, you're most welcome to my YouTube channel, a channel that educates you and gives you simple tasks to make, most especially using ChatGPT. Did you know that ChatGPT is one of the best AI that was created to save time, was created to help us manage our tasks in the shortest period of time? Guess what? You can do great things using ChatGPT. And this is why ChatGPT asks you, how can I help you today? ChatGPT is here to help you. Is here to give you information. Is here to give you whatever you want. But some of us lack information out there. We lack information on how best to command ChatGPT. On ChatGPT, you need to use your brain as well. Commanding it. It will only do whatever you've commanded it to do. And it will not do other things unless you have created it. Okay? Task tracker. We're looking at task track today. Task tracker, our task, how do we track our tasks? And on this note, we are able to command it and it gives us whatever we want. In this form, design an Excel spreadsheet to track tasks, deadlines, and progress. Okay? In this way, we can, we can I'll tell it, please automate this. Or before we go for this other command, let's see, design an Excel sheet to track tasks, deadlines, and progress. And here we go. As I told you, ChatGPT does this in less than 10 seconds. Get to see what it does. Our command is design an Excel spreadsheet to track tasks, deadlines, and progress. Okay? Now, when you look at it, it has given it to you. Look at this from up there as it goes down, as it is creating. We are talking about the task tracking spreadsheet. And of course, we have the columns, and it is designing columns here. The task name describes the task briefly, and it is telling you to describe your task briefly. Task description, provide an additional details and instructions on the task. Design to specify the person or team responsible for the task. Then it gives you the status, track the current status of the task. And then priority, assign a priority level to the task. Then date, mention the date, start date of the task. Due date, specify the deadline for this task. Remember, each task you're given has a deadline. Days remaining, automatically calculated the number of days remaining until the due date. The progress and a percentage. Track the progress. We are into track the progress, the completion percentage of the task. Notes, comments, struct comments, add an additional note or comment related to the task. Now, here they give you the sample spreadsheet, how it is supposed to be under the Excel. Okay, in column 1, we have task name, we have task description, we have the assigned to, we have the status, we have the priority, we have the start date, we have the due date, and the days that are remaining. Here you have simple instructions. Task status, update the status column as tasks progress. Number 2, priority, assign priority to tasks to help with the resource allocation. Number 3, dates, enter start and due dates to track timelines. Number 4, days remaining. This column should automatically calculate the days remaining until the task is due date. Then the progress, of course, the percentage, regularly update the completion percentage. And then notes, comments, use this column to additional information on comments. Feel free to customize this template based on your specific requirements and preference. Once again, guys, as you know that this is only a way of showing you on how to command. If you look at my command up here, how did I command it? I say design an Excel spreadsheet to track tasks, deadlines, and progress. And this is how it has designed it for you. And from this template, you're able to design whatever you want it. Okay, maybe you can say, make the Excel sheet be compatible to, let's say, maybe we're talking about 100 tasks, okay? Or make the Excel sheet, okay? Make the Excel sheet table with 100 tasks with 100 tasks. Let's look at this. It's very simple. Let's look at this. With 100 tasks, okay? Can it command it? Can it do it? Let's see if it can create them. Look at what is happening. Okay? In this example, I have provided a template of over 3 tasks. Task 1 to 3. You can copy and paste these rows to extend the table up to 100 tasks. Adjust the data in each row as needed. The days remaining, column days and formulas to calculate these days remaining until the due date. Ensure that the formula adjusts as you copy it down to your column. So you get this and copy it. Everything is possible. Okay? Everything is possible. You get this code, copy it and drop it into your Excel, whatever Excel you have, and then expand it, and then you are able to get this in a simple way. Means that we are taking less time working. I know most of you are complaining, work is stressful, it's giving me stress, it's hard, it's doing. ChatGPT is here to give you everything. Look at this. Everything is here and designed for you. Just copy here and go and paste in your Excel sheet with simplicity, and then enjoy your work, enjoy your kind of work you're doing. I know most of you're asking yourself, how do I do this? Every time stress is every day. We are trying to manage stress because ChatGPT is here to make sure that our stress is reduced. Remember guys, if you like what I'm doing, if you like the kind of work I'm doing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I will be giving you small tips concerning ChatGPT. And if you're out there as well, you have colleagues, share my YouTube channel for those who really want to learn these simple steps that can improve your lives. And guess what? Our lives can be improved by only technology. And one of the best technology and AI is ChatGPT. You can ask it any questions, you can do it. But remember, learn how to command. Learn how to give the right commands. If you give ChatGPT the right commands, it will give you the right commands. If you don't give it the right commands, then it will not work best for you. Thank you so much guys. It's been a great pleasure working with you, and we look forward to more tips about ChatGPT. Thank you.